Hey guys, what's up? Kyle from Cause 3D, and today we are going to be looking at this beautiful helmet that we're currently selling in our Etsy store. It's MakersModels Makerback 3D, and he has done a beautiful job on this thing, and we want to go over it with you, and let's get to it. Well, let's dive right in. So this helmet is got some really cool features on it. First and foremost, the one we're looking at right here is already sanded and primed. I have it to the prime stage ready for paint. So I want to go over a couple things. When he designed this though, the mohawk is actually removable, so you can actually get around with a sander, get things nice and smooth for you. The back vent, it comes in multiple pieces, which I'll show you in a minute when we pull one out of the box that we would send to you. The ear caps are a beautifully well done item. I can't do it from the side though, but they do remove. There are magnets you can put into them to hold them in there, and the visor actually has a receiving piece on the inside, which we'll zoom in and show you in a minute, but you can actually remove the visor out of this. A little bit of hot glue to hold it in if you want, but it's super simple to change. If you want to take it out, clean it, change visors, it's just a wonderful design. And I can't say enough about this guy. He's really done a great job and really thought of everything, especially for 3D printing. So I do want to say that we're going to put a link in the description of where you can actually buy this model, print it yourself if you want, or a link to our Etsy store where you can get this 3D printed by us and shipped to you. So let's dive into what you're going to get in the box, shall we? All right, let's break open this box. So this is what you'll get from us from our Etsy store, and this one was packaged up and ready to ship out, but we'll show you how it comes and what you get. All right, so we do have some instructions with it there. We try to pack these as best as possible with the wonderful post office that we have in case something gets mildly dropped. We've not had any problems, but you never know. We've got the mohawk already taped on here so that it doesn't go anywhere in the box and get damaged. You're going to get a baggie of parts. Now we do have multiple options on this. You have to contact us for any other options. So this is the standard Gunny helmet that we are sending out. So I'll just run through the pieces real quick that you're going to get when they come. This isn't really a build video or anything, but we just want to go over what you get. So you do get a little letter from us if you have any problems along the way, how to contact us and so forth. We do send a paper copy of the visor so that you can cut it out of your own material when you want to install it into the helmet, and also the parts that go with this particular build. So we did go and do a little extra on this, and we resin printed the ear caps just because they come out in a much better, higher resolution quality. The back vent is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll run you through real quick just so you can see how it all goes together. So you just start by sticking the sticking in from the back. You want to put your screen in. You'll follow that up with the actual vented part that goes in there, and then we go back into the interior of the helmet. Once that's in place, it does snap in with a very nice satisfying click, which I'm not going to do right now. And then this is a receiver piece that you can actually glue to the back interior of the helmet so that it does hold in there nicely. Next, the ear caps, pretty self-explanatory. Again, there is a left and a right. You just have to find out which side fits. There are some holes on the interior of the helmet where you can actually run a screw into this piece if you want. And then I already showed you how the covers go on and off. But you can also add some magnets to these, which we don't supply in the kits, just to get a better hold on them. The front vents, or the side vents here, they just slip into the side pieces. Might have to do just a little bit of cleanup to get those in, but they fit in there nice and snug. So there you have it. That's pretty much what you're going to get in the kit. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today, guys. And remember, you can go to our Etsy store and order one of these kits. And as always, we love for you to post pictures, and we love to see what you end up with your paint schemes and so forth at the end of these builds. And we appreciate you joining us today. We'll see you.